everyone, I just wanted to get you started on some simple things for couponing. So if you grab a pen and paper, give me a couple minutes of your time and your smartphone, and I'll show you how to get started. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is I want you to download some apps. CVS is one of them, and RITE AID, Walgreens, and then there's also IBOTTA, IBOTTA, Checkout 51, coupons.com, Fetch, and there's also Swagbucks and a couple of other ones, but I don't really use those just because it gets too overwhelming if you do too much. I do not do paper coupons. I think they are, for me, they're not worth it because we're in it to make money, right? So I'm spending $8.50 on two newspapers, and I'm only getting maybe 3 or 4 coupons that I'll actually use, and it certainly doesn't add up to the $8.50 or more that I spent when I bought them. So I don't do that anymore. I've been couponing since 2010. I was a single mom for a really long time, and I had to find a way to save money, and this was definitely one of them. I pretty much taught myself how to do this. CVS and RITE AID are my favorites. I don't have a Walgreens close by, so I don't do that anymore, but I can still tell you how to do those kinds of things online. One other reason why I don't do paper coupons anymore is because RITE AID, CVS, Walgreens, Checkout 51, and coupons.com, you can typically find probably 75% of those coupons in those apps. So there's no need to go buy them at the gas station in a newspaper because you can find them already in an app somewhere. Let's see. Always keep your receipts for a few days. Keep them in a little baggie. A lot of times new things will pop up that you can submit for at the end or at the beginning of every single week. When you do this the first time, it's a little bit more time consuming than weeks hereafter. All of these apps that you use, especially CVS, RITE AID, coupons.com, IBOTTA, and I think there's one more. But what I do is I go through and I add every single coupon. It may take you 15 minutes. Every week thereafter, all you have to do is scroll through and just click all the new ones because there's glitches that show up. Like last week, I had a glitch for Azo. I did not buy an Azo product, but for whatever reason, something on my receipt triggered an Azo rebate. So I got $6 back for an Azo product that I didn't buy, and as far as I know, there was nothing that I bought that was even affiliated with Azo. So that's another reason why I do that. You can save these up, use them for gift cards, when you get so many points, or Fetch is a good one. Today, my daughter got like 1,600 points, which 1,500 of those came from, one product. I'm not for sure. I don't remember, but I'm going to do another video about my hauls that I did today. I'll post a picture at the end, or no, maybe I'll post it at the beginning of this video. Maybe I'll do both. That way you can see what I was able to get today, and then I'll break down the pricing in another video.